Looking for a reliable portable air compressor to keep your tires, tools, and everyday inflating needs covered? In this video, we'll show you the *** best portable air compressors in 2026 that offer great performance, durability, and convenience. Stay tuned to find the perfect option for your needs. Starting at number 1. LOKITHOR JP400 Jump Starter. The LOKITHOR JP400 Jump Starter is a highly innovative and compact device, recognized with the 2025 German Design Award for its integration of multiple functions within a small unit. It delivers a peak power of 2500 A, capable of jump-starting 12V vehicles with engines up to 8.5 L gas or 6.5 L diesel, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it features a cordless smart emergency air compressor that provides 150 psi airflow for quick tire inflation, equipped with preset modes and an auto shut-off function for ease of use. Safety is paramount, as the JP400 is designed with an integrated battery management system, BMS, and 10 types of protection to ensure secure connections. Its innovative ConnectMax technology enhances starting performance by compensating for poor contact at battery terminals. Beyond its primary function, it also serves as a versatile power supply with dual USB ports for charging devices and a 300-lumen LED light with 3 modes for nighttime emergencies. The smart digital LED display allows users to monitor vehicle voltage and tire pressure easily, while its upgraded thermal design ensures durability and effective heat dissipation. The package includes the jump starter, jumper cables, inflatable hose, USB cable, nozzle adapters, a storage bag, and a user manual. Number 2. Eatonwolf Vortex S6. The Eatonwolf Vortex S6 is a powerful cordless air compressor designed for quick inflation of various vehicles, including heavy-duty trucks, off-road vehicles, regular cars, bicycles, and even recreational items like bowls and air mattresses. It operates at 12 volts and is battery-powered, boasting an impressive inflation rate of 1.5 CFM at 0 psi, allowing it to fill a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute. The device features a built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery that can inflate up to 18 F-150 tires from 30 to 35 psi on a single charge. Additionally, it includes a USB-C 45W dual-direction fast-charging port for rapid charging and powering electronic devices. With a 100% duty cycle and a durable dual-cylinder design complemented by a dedicated cooling system, the Vortex S6 can continuously inflate all 4 tires of an F-150 without brakes. It also comes equipped with an auto-stop feature that halts inflation once the desired pressure is reached, 7 preset modes, and preset pressure memory. For added convenience, it includes a 1000 lumens LED light that can be used for illumination in low light conditions or as a camping lantern. Number 3. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The V-Volt Pump'em is a versatile and portable tire inflator designed for various inflation needs, operating on a 12-volt battery with a noise level of 70 dB. It features 5 smart modes, including options for tires, motorcycles, bikes, bowls, and scooters, along with 4 pressure units, PSI, bar, kpar, kilogram, cm squared, to accommodate different inflatables. The custom mode allows users to set desired pressure values ranging from 3 to 150 psi. This cordless air compressor can operate on its built-in 22.2 Wh battery or be plugged into a car's 12V outlet for continuous use, making it perfect for outdoor sports and road trips. With a rapid inflation rate of 35 liters per minute, it can refill a standard car tire in just 50 seconds and has enough battery life to inflate car tires 20 times or other equipment multiple times. The auto shut-off feature ensures precise inflation by stopping the pump once the preset pressure is reached. Additionally, the inflator serves as an emergency tool with a built-in light featuring 3 modes and USB-A ports for backup power. It's an ideal gift for anyone who values practicality in their vehicle. Number 4. Eatonwolf Vortex S7. The Eatonwolf Vortex S7 cordless air compressor is a powerful and versatile tire inflator designed for heavy-duty vehicles, including pickups, trucks, and off-road vehicles, as well as regular cars, bicycles, and inflatable items. With a voltage of 12 volts and an impressive noise level of 80 dB, this model features ultra-fast inflation capabilities thanks to its 260W dual motors, achieving a flow rate of 1.85 CFM at 0 psi, allowing it to inflate a 30-inch SUV tire in just 30 seconds. The built-in 38,400 mAh lithium battery provides enough power to inflate up to 33 F-150 tires from 30 to 35 psi on a full charge, and also functions as a portable power bank with a USB-C fast charging port. Constructed for durability, the Vortex S7 boasts a 100% duty cycle and a lifespan of up to 10 years, enabling continuous inflation without breaks. Its user-friendly design includes automatic shut-off when the target pressure is reached, a digital display for monitoring pressure levels, and built-in LED lighting for use in low-light conditions, making it an essential tool for tire maintenance and emergency situations. Number 5. Milwaukee M18. The product is a red Milwaukee 18V cordless tire inflator, made from durable plastic and weighing 7.7 pounds. Its dimensions measure 14.7 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 8.3 inches in height. This tire inflator is designed to be the fastest in its category, capable of topping off 33-inch light truck tires in under 1 minute. It is optimized for use with passenger vehicles, light trucks, and other medium-duty tires. Additionally, the package includes essential accessories such as an all-brass Schrader chuck, an inflation needle, an inflator nozzle, and a Prester chuck for versatile inflation options. Thanks for watching our list of the best portable air compressors in 2026. All product links are available in the video description if you want to check prices or make a purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top product reviews and buying guides.